You can easily turn an image into a PDF for free using WPS Office. Whether you're on a computer or a mobile device, this quick guide shows you how to do it in just a few steps. WPS Office is a fantastic all-in-one tool for handling documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and PDFs. It's completely free and works on Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. If you don't have it yet, check out the download link in the description to get started. Once you've installed WPS Office, open the app and navigate to the PDF section on the home screen. From there, select Picture to PDF. This will bring up a file explorer where you can choose the image or multiple images you want to convert. If you're working with several pictures, you can even combine them into a single PDF. After selecting your images, you'll see a preview screen where you can make adjustments. Rearrange the order, resize the images, or tweak the margins to get everything looking just right. When you're happy with the setup, click Export to PDF, choose where to save the file, give it a name, and you're all set. Your image is now a PDF, ready to share or use however you need. It's that simple. WPS Office makes converting images to PDFs fast, easy, and completely free. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to share it and let me know what other tips or tricks you'd like to learn. Happy creating!